Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be explaining why a hard drive can cause your PC to be slow and how you can check if it's having issues. So the first thing that you want to do is just go on Google and you just want to type in Crystal Disk Info. You just want to click the first link that you're going to get. So once the page opens, you just want to scroll all the way down and you just want to click download. So once you click download, you should see it pop up on the corner and you can install it like any other software out there. So once you open it, you should see this. It will show you all the hard drives that are online at the moment. You can see this is just one of my standard drives. As you can see, it's running and it's good. Same thing as my SSD. For SSDs, it will show in percentages. So if you've got an SSD, this will also help you to check what is the health status of that SSD. So the lower the percentage, the higher the chances of it failing. And also here, this is where you can also now check if your hard drive has issues. So it will specifically warn you that hard drive has got issues, and you can easily see here saying it has got bad sectors. So this is very bad. And if I show you, if I try to open that specific hard drive, you will see it has started giving issues. For example, things like this. So this is how you know that the hard drive has started failing. And you might find for you to fix it, it might be either too late, or if you're lucky, if it opens and the software still gives you a caution, it's important that you just want to back up everything that is on that hard drive, because that hard drive is about to die on you. So you just want to make sure that you check your hard drives regularly, and also you just make sure that you've got all your data backed up, so that something like this doesn't happen to you. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more PC tips. See you in the next video.